Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very interesting geometry problem in which we are given A, B and CD are two chords of a circle having radius 5 cm, where the length of AB and AC is 6 cm. So we have to find the length of chord BC. So let's draw the diagram first for this problem. We have a circle having center O and two chords AB, AC having length 6 cm. So let's join OB, OC and OA. These are 5 cm as these are the radius OB, OA and OC, and we have to find the length BC. Name this intersection point as P. So consider triangle APB and triangle APC. Side AP is common. Length AB equal to AC, that is 6 cm, and we know line OA will bisect angle BAC. So angle BAP equals to angle CAP. So triangle APB is congruent to triangle APC by SAS property. So angle BPA equals to angle CPA, that is 90 degree, because sum of angle drawn on a straight line is 180 degree. Since angle BPC equals to angle CPA, so the value of angle BPA and angle CPA is 90 degree. Also BP equals to PC. Now let the distance OP be x and PA is equal to 5 minus x, as the length OA is 5 cm and OC is also 5 cm, since these are the radius. Now consider triangle OPC and apply Pythagoras theorem. We get PC square equals to 5 square minus x square. Name this equation as 1. And similarly for triangle APC, PC square equals to 6 square minus 5 minus x whole square. Name this equation 2. So from 1 and 2 we can say 5 square minus x square equals to 6 square minus 5 minus x whole square. Now on solving this we get 25 minus x square equals to 36 minus 25 minus x square plus 10x. X squares to x square cancel out and we get 50 minus 36 equals to 10x, and on solving this we get x equals to 14 over 10, that is 1.4 centimeter. So put this value of x in equation 1. We get PC square equals to 5 square minus 1.4 square, that is 25 minus 1.96. So we get PC square equals to 23.04. So PC equals to 4.8 centimeter. Also BC is equal to twice of PC, as BP equal to PC. We have proved this earlier. So the length of BC is twice of PC, that is 2 times 4.8 centimeter, that is 9.6 centimeter. Also, for this problem, we can draw the diagram like this. Center O, two chord AB and AC, that is length 6 centimeter. Now join the OC and OB, OA, OB, OC, OA, that is these are the radius having length 5 centimeter, and we have to find the length of chord BC. So, can anybody tell me that this diagram is right or wrong? Please provide your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.